Okay, you join us with the Series 3 V12 that you've seen us take the engine apart with. Carrying on with this project is the body shell, which has had all external welding lead loaded, all door gaps lead loaded. The thin layer of filler that can be seen is the process that all classics go through nowadays to make them flatter and more perfect than they were back in the day when they were just a production car. Which the E-Type is always more than just a production car. As you can see, the layers where the metal is, so you could even stick a magnet there, it would still pick up the metal, it's such a thin layer. And that's about the next stage. We shall now start to prime it.